Hey guys, so I don't know, this is maybe something that everybody kind of knows of. I've been doing this for a long time, but I just thought I'd mention it for you guys that don't know. Is a little tech tip or hack, whatever you want to call it. Now, driving in using taps. Now I use taps in, with a ratchet, on an impact gun, a drill, use them for chasing holes, all kinds of different stuff. So what I would recommend buying, and I will link these in the description because these things are awesome. These are made by Lyle, but these are an adapter kit so that you can put a ratchet onto a tap. Now, these are super handy other than they don't go big enough for something like this. And you can buy these bigger, it's just, I don't know, I don't use them that often bigger. If I was using them every day, I'd buy the adapters, the proper adapters for everyone, but I don't, and I'm sometimes cheap. So, buy these. I link these in the description. They're well worth the money if you're running taps all the time. But a hack for you, other than that, is if you have 12-point sockets, if you don't, buy yourself a set of cheap 12-point sockets. You can take a 12-point socket and drive a tap with it. Some don't fit perfect. Now, this isn't like, not every size of tap. The really small taps, you can't get a 12-point that small. But you can go relatively small, but usually more towards the big ones because I recommend buying one of those kits for the small stuff. But you can get these are all 12-point sockets and they fit right on there. So just a short one, but a hack for you guys that are doing this. I do it on pipe taps and stuff all the time. You can drive stuff in, you can use a 3/8 ratchet or whatever. And if you're doing this, you can even tape it on so it doesn't fall off, or tap for chasing holes with a drill. Makes it way faster than doing it by hand, myself personally anyway. So just something for you guys. Like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.